Hello guys, today we'll be studying concurrency problem. Now in the last videos we have already seen temporary update problem and lost update problem. So in this video we'll be seeing unrepeatable read problem. Okay. Now before this example we'll see some real-time example. Suppose there's a family function at your relative's house but you don't want to go. So all other family members go to the function and you are alone at the home. Okay. So after they go, you just want to chill out. So you start the television, you start watching some movie on Z cinemas. Then in between, you just get the feeling that you need to use the washroom. So you go to the washroom, and after you come back, you see that on the television, instead of Z cinemas, Sony TV is been on. Okay, that means first you're watching Z Cinemas channel, and then when you come back from the washroom there's Sony TV going on. So you really get confused. So you are like, I am the only one in the house and I haven't changed the channel. Only for 5 minutes I went to the washroom, and after coming back the channel has been changed, right? So it's kind of a horrifying experience. So that gives you a feeling that no, there's also somebody else in the house, which is kind of a scary. Okay, so you call your parents and let them know that yes, you also want to come to the family function, and that's it. So same thing happens in this scenario as well. So there are two transactions, T1 and T2. Okay, now T1 reads the value of A from the database into the buffer. Initial value of A is 100. Then context switch happens. T2 gets the chance to execute and it reads the value of A as 100 from the buffer. Okay. Again the context switch happens. T1 gets the chance to execute. So it updates the value of A into the buffer as 400. Then context switch happens, and due to some reason T2 wants to reread the value of A, but when it reads the value of A this time it is 400. So T2 really gets confused because according to T1 there's nobody else in the system right now executing. Okay, because as we know the transaction have ACID properties, and according to those properties there is some concept called as isolation, right? So that isolation gives the feeling to each and every transaction that they are the only one who are executing in the system. So T2 knows that there's nobody else, but then also the value has been changed. So T2 feels that no, there's something very bad going on. So it just aborts its execution, right? So this is the problem of unrepeatable read problem. Okay. So to summarize, what is the unrepeatable read problem? When a transaction T rereads a data item it has previously read, but in between another transaction has modified it. Okay, so that's it for today. Let's stop. Thank you very much. Please do write your feedback in the comment section.